guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to give boot Ubuntu and any Windows in your PC. So firstly, open your browser, go to google.co.in, search here, first open the first link, then scroll down to download and download the first file. It's a software to make our Android bootable. After downloading the software, open a new tab. Go to google.co.in. Search here Ubuntu. Then click on download. Again, here you see the page is loaded and you can see the download option. Click on downloads. Click on get Ubuntu desktop. Now scroll down to Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. LTS stands for long-term support. Here, the file size is about 5 gigabytes and you need 4 GB RAM, 2 GHz processor, or 25 GB of free hard disk space. After downloading these files, open the software which we have downloaded before and insert your pen drive of about 8 gigabytes or more than 8 gigabytes. Select the ISO image from here. The file which we downloaded about 5 GB Ubuntu file. Click open and click on start. Then OK. Then again OK. Now wait for it to complete. It's take about 5 to 10 minutes. It depends upon your processor and RAM. Now wait for few minutes. Now after the pen drive is ready to boot, click close. Now restart your PC and boot the media device which we make bootable drive. Now when you boot the pen drive, you will see 4 options. Click on the first option, it's booting. Now click on install Ubuntu, then choose your keyboard layout, then click continue, then click on download update while using Ubuntu, normal installation, and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. Then click continue. Make sure you have internet connection to install the updates while installing Ubuntu. Now click on install Ubuntu alongside with Windows 10. Click continue. Now here you can see the two partition of the drives, Ubuntu and Windows 5. I have equally partitioned the drive and then I click on install now. You can choose how much partition you want to do for Ubuntu and Windows. Then click install now. Then click continue. Then click continue. Then click on, you can choose your country. Then click continue. Then your name, enter your name. Pick your username. And it's mandatory to choose your password. Then click continue. Now click on copying file. Here you can see the updates. Now copying file is getting finished. Now it is installing the system. Now click on restart. After restarting, you will see these options. From here you can open Ubuntu. From here you can open Windows 10. First of all, we will open Ubuntu and update its repositories. Now open your user, enter the password. Now we will skip this step, then next, then don't send system info, then next, then again next, then done. Press Ctrl Alt T to open the terminal and type sudo apt get update. Then enter your password. Now we are updating the repositories. Here we are going to install the drivers. Here we are installing the updates. Now system is updating. Now we will restart this device and open our Windows. From this menu, we will select Windows 10, which is on the first partition. You can see our Windows is open. Here is the partition of 49.7 GB, which is used for Windows, and other 50 GB space, which is used by Linux. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.